Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. A very late video unboxing the November KnitCrate is here. It's been a while since I filmed the video. Over the Christmas holidays I took some time off, and then also it's been a bit challenging to film because the daylight is short, and then there isn't really much daylight lately in the UK. When it's a rainy day the light is not very good, so it's hard to film. But here we are. Chiaroscuro is the theme it was the theme for November 2020, and they collaborated with Vincent Williams from Vesuvio Crafts to create some patterns for their amazing yarn. Now in the crate of November they only put a card in it, so I don't have the pattern pictures to show you, but I will link down below the Ravelry page where you can go and see every single project that they suggest to knit with this yarn, and also what other people created with the yarn, and you'll see everything there. I will link everything down below. But they also have a tree planting project that we've supported through November, which is amazing, and you can read all about it on their KnitCrate website. If you don't know what KnitCrate website is or KnitCrate membership is, you pay a certain amount a month, which is I think varies from $19.99, $24.99 or a bit more for an artisan KnitCrate, and then every month you receive some yarn that it's a lot more value for the money that you pay, and it's amazing hand-dyed yarn. So I've been enjoying KnitCrate for the last 2 years. Most times I create something else with the yarn that I receive, but they do have amazing projects and amazing patterns that you get for free if you're a member. So if you're interested, I will link down below their website, and also for your first order you get 20% off with code TEO20. Just follow the link down in the description. That will take you to the website where you can sign up and have your KnitCrate membership. Now the post office has been a bit late for maybe a couple of weeks now, so I haven't got my December KnitCrate or my January KnitCrate for that matter, but we'll just wait for it to arrive and I will show you what it is in those crates. But this is November 2020 and we have got some amazing yarn, and it's been hard to just look at the yarn waiting to be filmed without casting on with it, because I already have projects in mind for this yarn and I'm excited to knit it. Now let me show you close-ups of the yarn. It's Vidalana, which is amazingly soft, ambient worsted, exclusively dyed for KnitCrate, and it's Peruvian Highland wool, very warm. It's hand wash only, so it's not superwash, which is even better because I think superwash wools are not as warm as non-superwash wool. This is Sprezzatura, I think, the colorway. It's a dusky light pink. It's got a little bit of a sheen, but it's just pure Peruvian wool. Amazing. I think it might be 2-3 ply, I think. Amazingly soft and squishy. Then you have Contrapposto, which is a little bit of a rusty red with some green specks in it. I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up, but this is gorgeous and they go together amazingly. Check that out. All right, so I got 4 skeins in one crate, which is wow. Impasto, this is more like a very, very light lavender gray. I think the camera washes it out a bit. Maybe if I put it next to something else, you'll be able to see it better. There you go. And then a charcoaly, not warm brown, more like a lavendery brown, I would say. So these two go together amazing. These two go together amazing, or all 4 of them go together amazing. It's wonderful. So you have 200 grams of yarn here. So each skein is 50 grams. So 200 grams altogether. It would be enough for a beautiful shawl. Obviously, you could do two hats or maybe 2 pairs of socks. So you can take your pick. I will, like I said, link down in the description down below everything that they, all the projects that they suggest for this yarn. And also, if you follow me on Instagram, I post there everything that I'm working on. So once I cast on these beauties, then I'll share on there what I'm knitting with. So yeah, like I said, I've got quite a few projects in mind for this yarn. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a little clue of what I got in my November 2020. It came just after Christmas, I think, so very, very late. But like I said, you know, the COVID and all that, it kind of messes up with the deliveries. If you're wondering what I'm wearing my yellow cardigan. It's knitted in Mondim, and I also have a little bit, no, that's Mondim, and on this part I have a little bit of Jamieson's of Shetland, I think. Yeah, I think that one. And then I can't remember what this green is, but I decided not to put the whole Fair Isle on the sleeve, just go plain on the sleeves. And I have to say, since I finished this cardigan, I haven't taken it off. It's the warmest thing I wear, and it's been freezing here in the UK, and I've just been enjoying keeping warm with this cardigan. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. And I will also film a quick video with stuff that I knitted using my Doxton Wood purchases. So if you're interested to know what yarns I use, then I will pop a link in that video so you can see what I've bought and what I've knitted with it. But yeah, this is KnitCrate November 2020. Enjoy.